Yeah, man. I'm gonna have to grab these. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Orlando Marathon. Do you have a Nike Unite store? Let's go look around. Nike Unite store in Orlando. Those of you guys that are not familiar with the Unite stores, are kind of a hybrid of the retail stores as well as the outlets. This place opened 4 minutes ago. I've already seen a bunch of people walk out. Let's go. Yeah, this totally reminds me of the one out in Phoenix, the one I visited. Nike Westlake store in Thousand Oaks. That one used to work similar to a Unite store. Technically it wasn't, but that's the way it worked. They do have a back wall. Even refurb stuff, that's definitely interesting. All right, let's look around. 30% off the back wall. LeBron 20s, $120. So these are well under $100. Wow, that is fire. As far as it, yeah, it's like new. So yeah, so these are under $100, like 90. This would be like $80, $88 or something like that. That is just dope, man. That's dope. SB Forces. I was like, are those Jordan 1s? $40 for those. Vaporflies. Vaporfly next percent. This is at 8.5. Yeah, this isn't an everyday shoe. So I told you I was trying to get some running shoes for a kiddo. Like Zoom X, the Zoom X don't get more comfortable than this. It does have carbon fiber though, so a little stiff. Definitely not an everyday shoe. That'd be under $80. That's crazy. Jordan 1 lows, size 8.5, 105. That's like new. Some of this stuff, like they just might have broken boxes, and they're just like, hey, you know what? We'll just throw it in here. $88. This one's gently worn. Prestos. Y'all know these. The Hello Kitties, $85. Then you get those 30 off. Some of these are some fantastic deals. 108 for the GT Jumps. That's a hell of a deal because these are usually expensive as hell, like new. Air Force Ones with that gum bottom, size 13, $60. $60. Holy cow. So what is that, $42? Nike by You. Air Max 90, $75. Oh, that's a slightly imperfect though. Offline slides, $53. More Air Max 90, size 14, $70. Metcons. Metcon 8's going for $70 as well. Wow, that's cheap. All right, back in the regular section, size 10.5. I don't even know why I'm checking 10.5 because I don't really want to buy anything. Because if I do, I'm gonna have to pay more for to take it home because I only have a carry-on. No, actually, I don't even have a carry-on. I only have a personal. And then I'd have to pay extra for a carry-on. You know what? Maybe not. Maybe not. I think this flight, I think I do get a free carry-on. So I'd have to buy another backpack to take it in. $120 for those. Actually, I might just be able to just put it in a bag and take it. So actually, maybe I should look for something. $96. That is like new. A size 10 Dunk. Highs $125. We've seen these for like $69.99, I think, even at some of the JDs. Do you got these going for $120? Dirty denim, Air Max 1s, $110. That's a hell of a price. Got Lucas going for $90, 9.5. Scorpions. These are slightly imperfect. Scorpions down to $125. That's a great price. More LeBron 20s. These look like they're gently worn. But yeah, this is the uninterrupted pair. Yeah, this is canvas, so you can easily see that they've been worn. Oh, there's also, man, they've even gotten dirty. But yeah, $100, so $70 for those. Seen like crazy bargains, and then we're seeing stuff like this just going for retail, which is crazy. More LeBrons, those are hitting for $2 though. These Metcons, we've been seeing these for a while, down to $80. That's a hell of a deal. Still looking for some dope running shoes. These really ain't it. I think the kid that I want to get them for, he just wants some all black shoes. Those are $68. Pegs at $89. It's going for $60. Air Force High, size 8, $63. These are slightly imperfect though. You really need to look at those. All right, moving on to 11 and over. The Lucas, I do kind of want one of the Lucas. Size 11 might fit. I have a feeling I'd have to go up on these because that's how a lot of the Nike basketballs been. $90, that is such a good price. Size 12, Air Force Ones. Be able to get it for 30% off, not bad. Blazers going for regular price. Do got some Dub Zeros, $130. Big Feet Gang, they do have the Jordan 1 Low Golf, $140. Some mids, $135 for those bad boys. Air Max 96, you rarely ever see these. I'm not a fan of those. $80 for those gently worn. Vaporfly Next Percent, size 15, $150. That's a hell of a price. $105 after the discount. Luca's right here, $100, not bad. Then the Alpha Flies, $135, so under $100. That's insane. Am trying on some Lucas. These are 11.5, full size above. That is a full size above my size. 11.5. It's a little bit loose. I probably would go for an 11, but look at that price, $55. And you get another 30% off. So these are under $50. These are like 40, was it $45? I might have to grab them, dude. And I don't think these have been worn. It says gently worn, but I don't see anything. That's how it is when you first buy them. The lacing, I don't see any cotton balls. I think these are brand new, just a return. Yeah, but I might have to grab these for $45 or something. Oh my God, that's just too cheap. Too cheap. 40. Yeah, I think it's gonna be $40. Then since I'm showing you guys what's on feet, did bring a little bit of Los Angeles with me. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to grab these. I think it's gonna be $40. That's crazy. All right, we're checking out the aisles. Like I said, definitely different. Have a bunch of these, and then just regular traditional aisles. $70 for Air Max 95s. What the hell? Got these bad boys right here. Air Max 2021s. I've never even heard of anybody talking about the Air Max 2021s. I don't even think most people know about these. Obviously, they're gonna go on sale. Air Max 2017s. Racer blue, binary blue, crimson color for sure. All black. Got some Air Max 270s. Whole sleuth of Air Force Ones here. These quick strikes, we've been seeing these quick strike mids forever. Some wheat mids, all black lows. Black with, was that chlorophyll trim? Sail midnight maroon. Got some retros. I told you guys the retros always use a lot better material. Also comes with this old school box as well. Got some black and gum. Dunk lows. Dunk highs right there. Another one of them dunks. Some mids right there. Only 10 to 12. Meaning size 10 to 12. And then got some forces. They are B grades. Still charging extra. But I told you guys, most of the B grades, most of the times, they're not even B grades, dude. I don't know. So look at your pairs. Look at the pairs, man. Got a ton of black boxes. Nice little Jordan section here. Of course, we got a lot of Team J's, of course. Y'all need to see all these. The LeBron 3s, just joking. Max R's, Origins, Jumpman 2021s. That look like the 35s. We got some Take 1 3s, which are Westbrook's generic shoe, or more of his low budget shoes. Got some Jordan 1 High, not OG, but just regular G for golf. But yeah, you can wear that for daily wear. By daily wear, I mean casual wear. Got the Jordan 12 Low. These come in golf. Cannot wear these for casual wear. Pegasus Trail 3s. Got a trio of these. This one got Gore-Tex on it. All of them have Gore-Tex on it? No, just this one. Lasers. These are the mids. This one, bunch of animals had to give up their lives for this one. Not really, but that's what it looks like. But yeah, $100 for those. Flight 89s, 95s. Jumping back in the time machine. Remember, you do get 30% off whenever it's a 97, even if it's in the aisle. Checking the women's size, especially the size 10, see if they have any bargain running shoes. I guess I should check this section first. Got some Forces, all canvas, 13, size 13, $65. Size 11 Force, $60. Oh man, that's got a lot going on. We're good. Running shoes wise, especially size 10, this is it. Definitely not gonna give these to a teenage boy. Those are going for 70. Do got Air Force One Fontanka's going for 60 bucks. That's the one with the React in it. Air Max 2017, and an 8.5 right here, 95 bucks. Gently worn. These the Shadows. Yeah, the Shadow Air Force One, size 8, going for $65. Gently worn. Epic Rec Flyknit 2s, haven't seen those in a long time. 75, gently worn, size 8. Metcons, 7.5, 65 for those. Air Max Theas, haven't seen those in a while. Do not look like sneakers, more like boots. Yeah, 75 for those bad boys. No runners in the size 10. Well, they do have these, and this is actually what I'm looking for, but I don't think that's a colorway that teenage boy's gonna want. $1.15 for these. That'd be a very solid deal at 80 something dollars. Low 80s actually. We got some Jordan 1 lows right here going for $1.10. Especially with the discount, there's another one right here. All right, checking out the women's section. They have a bunch of Pegasuses. I don't know, but yeah, I've seen a bunch of those. Do got Infinity Runway Flyknit 2s. We've seen a lot of these as well though. Got a quartet of these. Oh no, these are 3s, my bad. So we got 2 couples, couple of 2s, couple of 3s. I know someone looking for one of these. It's a little bit high though for the price. These are the Free Metcon 4s, supposedly good for high intensity interval workouts. Got another colorway right here. And in the middle section, we got Air Max 90s, 270s. Got a couple of them, 2017s. Great colorway right here. Got some Air Max 97s. There's just a Mars Yard colorway of the 5s. And some mids right there. Do got 30% off the clearance section right here. PSG jersey, PSG Nike jersey. $150, $1.70 retail. So that's what, 105, so almost 50% off. Got a jersey right here. I don't know who the hell that is. I don't know, but yeah, $95. Wow. I'm gonna be honest, the apparel section has been pretty disappointing overall at most Nike outlets. $30 for those, but who wants a hoodie with flowers on it? Like, I don't know too many dudes that would want that. 75 down to 41 for these. Pretty interesting, big old Nike check that goes over the whole thing. Nike running pullover, dry fit. 70 down to 45, that's a large. Bucks jersey, we've been seeing a ton of these at Ross. Good Godwin jersey. And what is that going for? What's that going for? $1.50, a little bit more than the Ross. Fleece jacket right here. Is this Tech Fleece? I don't think this is Tech Fleece. This is just a recycled material one. Normally $1.40, down to 60 bucks. Get 30 off, so that's what, 42? Nothing too interesting here. In the bottom section, got sweats, stuff like that. We've been seeing a ton of sweats lately on sale. I guess I'll just go pay for this. It's gonna be like $42 or something. Went a full size up, size 10.5 usually, but yeah, size 11.5. And they fit. Oh wait, I almost missed it. They do have a heat wall here. Kind of being stingy with the discounts, especially on the newly released stuff, but that's kind of the way it works usually at the Nike at nights. They usually do have like a little heat wall, and you normally don't get discounts on releases. But this is interesting because these aren't even out yet. So most of the times, if you return something that you get exclusive access for, usually they have to send it back. But yeah, I'm surprised to see those there. Materials on those still super nice. You got these dunks. These are kind of big. With size 11 for those dunks. Then got a few other things as well. Okay, $41. My math is pretty decent, huh? I didn't even use a calculator. $41 for that. That is pretty dope. All right, that was freaking insane. I already put my stuff in the car, but hella value. $38 from what, 110? So what is that? Like 75% off retail. That was pretty crazy. Definitely love hitting the Unite stores. Definitely love hitting the Nike outlets, and that's kind of why you guys watch. All right, I did wake up late. Wasn't able to make it to the beach, so I did hit the pool. It's like I think it was like 7:45 and it's like warm enough to go into the pool. It's like kind of crazy. Just doesn't like cool down as much out here like it does in California. It's kind of crazy. Pool ain't nothing special. I am sad I didn't make it to the beach, but that's what happens when you're up for like 30-something hours straight. It is what it is. Dang. Returning the car. See ya, Orlando. See ya, fools. All right, guys, big old shout out to Ballinonabudget, aka Frank Nitty. Definitely appreciate you. Yeah, man, really genuine dude. Great channel. Great channel. I was watching this channel for what, 2-3 years before I even started my channel. So big ups, big ups, big ups, and definitely appreciate you showing me around. Orlando Airport. I have to walk all this over there. Who has a hotel? What airport has a hotel inside the actual airport? I've never seen this before. And who wants to stay in the airport? What the hell? All right, let me go check and get the hell out of here. This is what I'm taking home. Came to Orlando with just a personal bag. Paperwork said, hey, no additional carry-ons. It said no, what is it? Yeah, they said no other carry-ons. On the way here, they said, hey, I could have had a carry-on. So, yeah, this is it, man. You know what I do on YouTube. I'm taking the Nike Outlet bag on. That's it, man. Nike Outlet bag, jerseys, slides and stuff. That's funny. On the way here, they said, hey, I could have had a carry-on. So, yeah, this is it, man. You know what I do on YouTube. I'm taking the Nike Outlet bag on. That's it, man. Nike Outlet bag, jerseys, slides and stuff. That's funny. And then I'm back in LA. It's what, 12:30 a.m. We got some traffic because construction and stuff. Damn. Welcome to LA, man. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Got plenty of videos coming. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Yes, I do talk kind of fast. But yeah, make sure you guys check out some of these videos. I got ton of videos. Got all kinds of videos, man. Bunch of Nike Outlet videos. 1,500 videos. Go check them out.